Hey, this is day 6 of 100 days, 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. If you've ever built a personal site, a portfolio, or even a blog, you've got a skill that can make real money. Here's the play. Create personal resume websites for people who are job hunting. Most people send boring PDF-S to recruiters, but imagine sending a full website instead, with a clean layout, work samples, testimonials, and links to projects. It's impressive, it stands out, and it gets attention. You can build these on Card, Webflow, or even Wix. No coding needed. Here's the offer. I'll build you a clean, one-page resume site for $100, hosted and done in 3 days. That's easy to sell to college students, new grads, freelancers, and even older professionals trying to stand out. One $100 project a week is $400 a month. Add a $30 per month upkeep package, you've got recurring income. Make a few demo versions, show people what's possible. Offer your first one cheap just to get reviews, then raise your rates. Here's the thing, most job seekers are tired of applying and hearing nothing. You're not just building them a site, you're giving them an edge, and that's what people pay for. For more ideas, please subscribe and comment. See you next time.